Sagittarius. This is your channel messages for the 9 for tomorrow, for the 9th of May. Sagittarius, where is Rima? Baby, come down. Come down. She's still yellow. How come every time I come here and I sing this song, no girls is in yellow? Oh, her teeth is yellow. That will do. Baby, come down. Rima, hello Rima. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Rima, you are too young for me, but I am not too old for you. You should know that. Rima, Jesus Christ, Rima. Rima, the one who wore the upside down cross shirt. Him Nigerian. These Nigerian. What is happening in Lagos? These Nigerians crazy. How old? Rima, you're how much? Rima, what is it? You're born too. Rima is a Taurus. That's why I like you. Rima is born the 1st of May, 2000. You're 25? Sorry, you're too young for me. But me not old for you. Okay? Beginning some about Rima. Rima, you're a Taurus? I did not know. Yes, Rima was the one who them there tried for cloth band because him wore the necklace of the church upside down. Rima, you are highly protected by the Masons. You should know that. So you should know, even though you turn your back on the Bible and you turn your back on... I don't think you turn your back on the Bible. I think you turn your back on the church. We shall have a blood sacrifice for your honor, Rima. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Baby, come down. Come down. For lockdown. For lockdown. For lockdown. Oh, you sweet like Fanta, oh. Fanta, oh. If I tell you that I love you, not gonna know, oh. Baby, come give me a la. I won't lie. And I don't mean to start shit. I feel like Selena Gomez that they want one black man. This is my opinion. I'm not lie. I feel like she should have fucked her. Selena Gomez, did you fuck Rima? Please say yes. Oh no, you can't say yes. You're with Benny Blanco now. You did fuck him? You should have fucked him. Jada Kingdom, you did that I? Jada Kingdom. Did you have sex with Danai? Yes or no? And if it's no, would you consider doing it now? For your fans are requesting, your fans them request a song. Your fans are requesting a birthday shout out. The fans are asking for you and Danai for fuck. Why you never fuck Danai? Why you never fuck? You call him short? Him look big though. Why you never fuck Danai? Danai third eye was open. Twinkle. Why you never fuck Danai? You did fuck him? Yes? Please just say yes. Okay, go on X and just type yes. So I just know if it's true. Twinkle, did you fuck Danai? Why you never fuck Danai? Ban no blood clot, oh me for let you go. He said you were ban no blood clot. Why you let Danai go, Twinkle? Why you never fuck Danai? I never say two people. I never want two people to have sex so badly. Twinkle, just fuck him now, please. Do it for your fans. Danai. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius. We have the Queen of Pentacles coming out first. I'm getting something about a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. No, we just Earth sign. Rima is an Earth sign. So this could be Rima's feminine energy or something about your mother. Something about this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, mother-like figure in your life. The devil, yeah. I'm getting something about this woman. Now again, Rima, we will have a sacrifice in your name, in your honor, for standing up to the church and their wicked ways while you were wearing that church upside down. We stand with you, Rima. You should know that. You are favored by the Masons. Now I'm getting something about your mother. Or I'm getting something about this woman who is binded to the devil. So is it a she with a Capricorn? I'm getting a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman with a Capricorn. I'm getting Taurus and Capricorn. So I don't know if this is something about your mother that's stuck. I'm getting your mother stuck in a very abusive relationship. I'm getting your mother partner or your father used to do witchcraft by your mother. Or I'm getting something about your mother the spell work. The Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you see? I'm getting your mother has been paying a witch doctor or your mother has been paying a Capricorn. See, so the pentacle here. I'm getting people pay your mother for the witchcraft. Your mother is a witch? Not witch. Your mother is she's a obia worker. Let's say that. Your mother is a obia worker. She do obia. She cast spell upon people, chaos spell, sickness spell, spell for don't make them fall in love, chaos spell. Cause me getting your mother is known for perform these weird ass rituals on people's relationship, so she get paid. She might be using Western Union. Cause me hear the big thing with Western Union. A Western Union, you send money through anytime the cult them, or you want to send so-called witch doctor money, so them can perform rituals for you. A Western Union, them do it through. Western Union are one of the biggest blood clot satanic grounds. You know that? Western Union? A big blood clot satanic ground that. You're fucking crazy. That's why every time I go Western Union, you get the money done. Magic upon the blood clot Western Union money. You never know that. Me getting, that's how you pay the witch doctor. Me getting, transfer our bank account. You can't see her figure our cash. Me getting something about Western Union. Or me getting a so your mother make our money. She fuck up the relationships and life of people. People go to her and pay her money. Yeah, she cause fighting, drama in the relationship and everything. Now, me getting you saying to this woman say you want back your money. Now, the reason why I'm very wary for go places for people for the witchcraft on you is because them will do it on you. Them will take your money, do it, but them will do the spell halfway. So then after you pay the money, 15 days later, you and the person fall out. You and the person in a one bag of problem. And you say to yourself, yeah, but me just pay the witch doctor to make sure me and her harmonious. It never work. Because the witch doctor need you to come back to her and spend money. One more. The emperor. Yeah. Because me getting your big blood clot emperor and you can't find a girl. You don't notice something wrong. Yeah, big emperor. Big emperor. You deal with clients, that is rich and snobby. You deal with so much people, but you can't find a woman. The woman where you keep a send blood clot money to, whether through Western Union or Remitly, I don't know which one, I don't know if a blood clot Zelle. Every time you get money, you send back money to your mother. And your mother use the blood clot money for your love life. Your mother use the money where you send her as a spell. So if you usually send your mother money once a month, once a week, you see if you ever miss a blood clot week, your mother will call you sick. She have a spell upon you. And me getting her son is the emperor. You gotta realize what your mother do. You probably realize it too late. Like at 60. Because it's like you're telling me, oh, the only woman I trust is my mom. The only woman that understands me is my mom. I can't find nobody as nice as my mom. Yeah, your mother know what the fuck she doing. She probably cook her period blood and blood clot give you for eat when you were a child. That's why nobody compares to your mom. The only thing left for you do a fuck her. The page of the Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the yeah, literally. What she do to you when you lick up? Yeah, she probably put the blood in your drink, or she put blood in something. That's why you keep a give her money. You know, to say you can't escape your mother. All your mother have rich husband, your mother have rich man, but you still have to give your mother blood clot money. You're competing with a husband. You're competing with a man who your mother provide for her. I don't care if that guy's not. I don't care if she's giving my mom something or not. I'm going to still provide for my mom because that's my job as a son. No, nigga, your job was to provide for your blood clot wife. Just like what your mother man provide for she. So I'm assuming that you have. I don't know if you know this, but you have ingested your mother's blood. You have. And that's how she get the money out of you. Getting you can't stop sending this woman money. A witchcraft. Witchcraft. You can't stop sending your mother money. You're buying to her. Again, Rima, it looks like we have to sacrifice 2 people for your Rima. So we will ask the Masonic village if they can sacrifice 2 people in Rima's name. Since Rima was standing up for the injustice that was happening in the church. Rima, I see you, baby. I see you. The Capricorn, devil 2 time. It's like you meet somebody and everything will go great. I don't know if this woman I convince you say you're gonna lose her. Or this woman who had the witchcraft, I convince you say the girl what you do with the witchcraft. Or the woman that tell you say you can't, she's, you look, every time you send the money, you know, say you're buying to her, you keep a send the money to, you keep a give this woman your money and you don't know why. It's a fucking chain of prayer. The devil card is clarified by the 9, yeah, see, look. I'm getting sure I get exposed. Or I'm getting something about Western Union. Something about Western Union money. Transfer. Money what transfer. Cause I'm getting, every time I send her the money, you get schizophrenic. Or you breakdown. And the money, the magic upon the money. What you send her. She make sure say you always give her money so you never ever feel like you need to give another woman money. That's what happened. You ingest your mother blood. Your mother put her period blood in your food. The 7 of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Wands. And look there. Bear Wands is coming at you and you have a wand. Now, I'm also getting, because of your mother, you're bisexual, I'm getting you bisexual, you fuck man and woman, or you fuck man. Right, you're gay. Let's just call it that. That's kind of ultimately what your mother wants. Your mother prefer you for the anal penetration. The devil card twice, that's anal penetration only. Or this is, you fuck transgender man, you like lady boys. You think lady boys and girls are the same thing. Yeah, your mother. Your mother don't want your sperm for go in anybody's womb. The devil card twice. That's why every relationship you're in, it dissolves. When you go from loving each other so much, the two only turn like the devil. And you can't say what wrong. You don't know what wrong. You just know so she difficult and she say you coming like a mirror. She said, yeah, you're difficult and you're disrespectful. You're saying, yeah, she's difficult and disrespectful. And your mother, sir, your mother used her period blood on you when you were a little child and you never blood clot, no. That's why you're in love with your mother's cooking so much. You know what fucking menstrual blood tastes like. And ever since you were a little child now, you can't find another woman. The only woman who seemed to understand and appreciates your mother. Yeah, because you know her blood. You taste her blood. I'm getting something about when you were a child, your mother used to make you pee in this cup, or she used to make you pee in this bucket. And she used to use your pee. One more. I'm getting you're an emperor, which is great. Probably is all of the witchcraft your mother do to you. But your mother will build it into the emperor just so that it can be her second husband. Your mother never build you and the witchcraft on you. The way your mother make you turn your back on women so much, you focused on your career, which is great. Now you have the career, you're still not a woman. The only woman you trust is your mother, because you ingest her blood. One more. The Emperor is clarified by the 5 of... Yeah, that's why you're not going to have no relationship. Me getting your relationship at end. Back to back to back to back to back. And me getting you see if it don't end, you stay in the relationship. And me getting you feel drained. Yes, you're saying, please don't make this relationship end. Every relationship me in an end. Please don't. Please, alright, more stay, more deal with it. Okay, more take the abuse. Yeah, but it still end. It's like the girl will abuse you or break up with you. Cause your mother, sir. You're not gonna have no woman in your life. And if you do, you're gonna have baby mothers. You're gonna have uncommitted relationships. Halfway relationships. Cause your mother buying herself to you. But also getting something about drinking urine. Maybe your mother used to drink your urine as a child. She used to drink your... But no mothers who do that. Or your mother have your teeth. Your baby teeth. I'm getting your mother used to drink your urine as a baby. When you was a baby, she used to drink your urine. That's why nobody understands you as much. Man, if only my mom know how to give me a hand job, I do not need to fuck with. All my mom had to do is put on a glove and give me a hand job, because nobody gets me like my mom. And I'm sure your mom used to say, it's okay, son. I'm your mother. It's okay, son. Nobody's going to love you. Let me put on a latex gloves and jerk you off. Baby, come down, come down. The millions for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Oh, you sweet like Fanta, oh, Fanta, oh. If I tell you, say, I love you, Rima, we are with you. Okay? Just know that. So just know that if a dirty fucking subcocky beating past a church who want to outcast you because you wore an upside down necklace, you should know that the Hierophant Guru, Jacronium the Alien, and the Masonics that are watching me and who are appreciative of the fuckery that I do every day, we are guiding you. Can we ask the Pioneer Masonic Village to do a ritual for Rima? Thank you very much. Let's get some of these cards and we're going to leave it here. Baby, come down, come down. For lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Oh, you sweet like Fanta, oh, Fanta, oh. If I tell you, say I love you, no, oh, 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 oh. Baby, give me love. We will sacrifice 2 humans in the name of Rima. Since it's a Taurus, I believe that preference should be shown. Exactly. That's why I can't get no blood clot, love. Not you, Rima. Maybe it's you, but I'm not talk to you, Rima. Yes, I am. You're getting used to ingest your mother bodily fluids. That's why you can't get rid of your blood clot, mother. So, how come you eat organs? How come you eat bloody steak, but you don't suck pussy? You know what your mother blood tastes like, but you don't suck pussy. You notice? That's why you don't eat pussy, because you used to eat your mother blood clot, period blood. Let's continue the reading. Religious agenda. Yes, Rima, thank you so much for wearing that blood clot. Church upside down. You're 24 years old and you have bigger blood clot balls than enough man my blood clot no. We have a number 6. The sacrifice will be made for Rima. Two more. Libra. And we also have human and sex trafficking. Libra also tells me that in order for one to go on, one have to be sacrificed. The balance. We will be sacrificing somebody in for the name for Rima. And if we can sacrifice a church member, that would be lovely. Which church member we can sacrifice? I'm sure their sacrifice will cause a lot of mourning, right? So we will have a lot of tears. So we will choose a pastor, Rima. We will choose a very known and loved pastor for sacrifice in your name. Because we need the church to cry. We need a big, big crying at the funeral so that we can harvest the energy properly. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.